Hello friends, my name is Nisha and I welcome you to my channel Nisha Computer Academy. Today's video is about how to create the rainbow waves pattern animation in MS PowerPoint 2007. In this video, I will tell you the steps for creating the rainbow waves pattern animation to your presentation in PowerPoint in a very simple manner. The process is same for the PowerPoint 2007, 2013, 2016. After seeing this video, you can create the rainbow waves pattern animation in your presentation. The rainbow waves pattern animation will look like this. Okay friends, let's cut into the MS PowerPoint. First, take a slide, go to the layout and select blank option. Then the slide will be blank. Click on arrange, go to align, go to grid settings. Now click on display drawing guides on screen. Click on OK. Now click on shapes. Select block arc, and drag and drop it on the slide as shown. Now hold the yellow button which was here and drag it as shown. Now double click on the shape. I increase the size by 18 and 18. Click on align, center and align middle. Now click on shape outline, select no outline. Now copy the image by pressing Ctrl plus C and paste the image by pressing Ctrl plus V. Click on align center and align middle. Now click on rotate and click on flip vertical. Now adjust the shape. Click on shape fill, select no fill. For the bottom shape, select two shapes by pressing Ctrl plus A. Click on group, select group. Now two shapes will be grouped. Now create as many duplicates as you want. Using copy by pressing Ctrl plus C and paste it by pressing Ctrl plus V, and use F4 key to make as many duplicates as you want. I make 32 duplicates. Now press Ctrl plus A to select all the shapes. Click on Format tab, go to Align to Slide. Now click on Align Center and Align Middle. Now you can reduce the size of each halo manually. Click on Home tab, go to Select, click on Selection pane and click on Hide All. Starting from the second one, Click on the I button and reduce the size of all the shapes as shown. Same process will be repeated to all the shapes as shown. Align center, align middle. 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 Point 5. Align center, align middle. Align center, align middle. Align center, align middle. 11.7. Align center, align middle. Align middle. 9.2 align center, align middle. 8.2 align center, align middle. 7.7 align center, align middle. 7.2 align center, align middle. 6.7 align center, align middle. 5.3 align center, align middle. 5 align center, align middle. 4.8 align center, align middle. 4.5 align center, align middle. 4.3 align center, align middle. 4 align center, align middle. 4.5 middle. Line center, line middle. Line center, line middle. Line center, line middle. 2.5, 2.5. Line center, line middle. Now select all the shapes by pressing Ctrl+A. Click on Animation. Go to Custom Animation. Go to Add Effect. Go to Emphasis. Click Spin. In amount, set half spin. Click on drop down arrow. Select Effects option. Click on Auto Reverse and Smooth End. Now click on Timings. In repeat, set until end of the slide. Click on OK. Now I am adding 0.10 second delay between each halo animation. Select first animation. Click on drop down arrow. Go to Timings. In delay, set 0.10. Click on OK. Select second animation. Timings, delay 0.20. Click on OK. Select third animation. Timings 0.30. Click on OK. Select fourth animation. Timings 0.40. Click on OK. Select fifth animation. Timings 0.50. Click on OK. Select sixth animation. Timings 0.60. Click on OK. Select seventh animation. Timings 0.70. Click on OK. Select 8th animation. Timings 0.80. Click on OK. Select 9th animation. Timings 0.90. Click on OK. Select 10th animation. Timings 1. Click on OK. Select 11th animation. Timings delay 1.10. Click on OK. Select 12th animation. Timings delay 1.20. Click on OK. Select 13th animation. Timings 1.30. Click on OK. Select 14th animation. Timings delay 1.40. Click on OK. Select 15th animation. Timings 1.50. Click on OK. Select 16th animation. Timings 1.60. Click on OK. Select 17th animation. Timings 1.70. Click on OK. Select 18th animation. Timings 1.80. Click on OK. Select 19th animation. Timings 1.90. Click on OK. Select 20th animation. Timings 2. Click on OK. Select 21st animation. Timings 2.10. Click on OK. Select 22nd animation. Timings 2.20, click on OK. Select 23rd animation, timings 2.30, click on OK. Select 24th animation, timings 2.40, click on OK. Select 25th animation, timings delay 2.50, click on OK. Select 26th animation, timings 2.60, click on OK. Select 27th animation, timings delay 2.70, click on OK. Select 28th animation, timings 2.80, click on OK. Select 29th animation, timings 2.90, click on OK. Select 30th animation, timings 3, click on OK. Select 31st animation, timings 3.10, click on OK. Select 32nd animation, timings 3.20, click on OK. Select 33rd animation, timings 3.30, click on OK. Select 34th animation, timings delay 3.40, click on OK. Select 35th animation, delay 3.50, click on OK. Select 36th animation, timings delay 3.60, click on OK. Now click on slideshow. The animation will work perfect. OK, click on escape key. Now click on shape as shown. In selection panel, select the shape of an arc as shown. Click on Format tab. Click on Shape Fill. Select the color which you want to fill. Repeat the same process to all the shapes. You can insert different colors also. Now press Ctrl+A to select all the objects. Click on Format tab. Click on Rotate. Click Flip Vertical if you want. Now close Selection pane and close Custom Animation. Now click on Slideshow. The animation will work perfect. Now click on Escape. Now click on Shapes. Select Rectangle. Drag and drop it on the halos as shown. So that you can hide the halos. Click on Format tab. In Shape field, select White. In Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now click on Slideshow. That's it friends. You can create rainbow waves pattern animation in your presentation. If you like my content, then please like my video, share my video. If you have any doubts, then please comment in the comment box. I will sure help you to fix the problem. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.